Hello, YouTube. It has finally stopped raining for a few minutes here in Georgia, so I decided to get out here and film a quick update for you guys as to the state of the lawn. Now, for any of you guys that are new to the series, this is the fall dormancy update. I'm comparing the dormancy rates of Tifway 419 against Arden 15, so you can see how the lawn goes into dormancy at different rates. Now, here's the thing, guys. If you guys are taking a look at the lawn here now this week compared to last week, you can definitely see in this area right here, like where I'm pointing at, right in here, you can see a lot more brown than was there in previous weeks. What's happened is in the last week or so, we've gotten quite a bit of cool nights. So I think dropping down in the high 40s at some point, which is, Bermuda doesn't like that. So I'm starting to lose the fight as far as keeping the lawn as green as possible. One thing I wanted to show you guys too, it's kind of interesting. With fall weather, the sun, so we're looking at the lawn, right? The sun is rising over here. So when it's shining throughout the day, this part of the lawn right here is getting a lot more shade. So you can see this area here by this tree right here. You see how that grass right there is not as brown. And the same thing holds true for these guys. These three shrubs right here are producing shade, which is creating some brown in this area. So, again, I know a lot of you guys that talk to me on the live stream, the question is always, how can I get Bermuda to grow well in shade? The fact is, it just doesn't, guys. It just doesn't. So we take a look at the lawn from this angle. Again, the rain has helped some in the sense that we're still fairly green for the areas that aren't brown, but it's definitely losing the overall evenness in color. Again, if we compare my lawn to the neighbor's lawn, I did the same comparison last week, you can see that I'm starting to fall off here on mine, where I'm starting to match this side a little bit closer, guys. So I am slowly losing the fight, unfortunately. Let me take you guys around here to the area where the tree is. This whole area, this whole section, this whole band closer out here towards the rocks is a lot darker, noticeably darker. Let me show you guys that. Let me bring it back here a little bit so you can see. So if we look at this line right in here and compare to this area where the tree used to be going out to the rocks, you can see there's definitely still a color difference between these two sections. Again, if I point like right over here and then over to this section, like this whole area in here is darker. So just something to keep in mind, and it kind of shows that there is a color difference between the Tifway 419 and the Arden. Same thing here, the same angle that I show you guys on every one of these updates. Right down the middle, we are looking pretty good. But then off here to the right, that's darker, and off here to the left, it's a little bit it's darker than to the right, but you can definitely see the demarcation. So dark, light, dark, and that's becoming more and more of a thing as we progress. As we come over here to the Swale area, let me show you guys that, and Alex's lawn, that's still looking fairly green, but again, kind of like if I bring you guys along this edge here, you see all that brown that's starting to come in right through in here, like right along where the, right along next to the driveway, like all that brown wasn't there in last week's update, just so you guys can use that as a point of reference. I mean, stripe action is still in effect, but lawn just isn't as green as it has been in previous weeks. Alex's lawn, guys, is still looking good. Alex is actually getting me right now, man. There's some domination going on here. If you look at my Swale area compared to his lawn out there, it's looking better than I am. Oh well, so be it. The student has become the master. If I take you guys around to the front lawn, this part of the lawn is actually looking better than expected. Again, because the sun is rising more so on this side. So again, if we kind of compare to the back lawn, the sun is rising more over there. So even when it comes up in the morning, this whole area, this whole front lawn, whereas in summer months and late spring months, doesn't get sun until after around noonish or so. Now it's getting sun earlier in the morning, which is really showing because you could see the color difference compared to the back. This is still fairly even, guys. I mean, I really like how green that still is staying. So I can't complain too much about that. I guess if you have to pick one part of the lawn to be green, might as well be the front lawn, right? It's the part that everybody sees. Well, cool, guys. It's a quick update. I wanted to get this to you because I said every Wednesday I would film one, and thankfully we got a break in the weather here for hopefully a little while, so we can get out and film for you so you can see how the lawn is progressing. Let me know how you guys' lawn is coming along. I've gotten some of the comments from you guys saying that In some of your cases, your lawn is not really, it's going into dormancy as it always have, and then some of you guys are saying that your lawn is staying greener than other lawns in the neighborhood. If that's the case, let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what you've done differently this season compared to last season. As you guys know, with my lawn, I've introduced a lot of carbon, which is what I attribute to a lot of this great color that I'm seeing, and just it holding on to the color longer than it has in past. But let me know what secrets you guys have, what you guys have been working on, because I'd be interested in hearing that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I will see you guys next week. Have an amazing day.